Welcome to the BabelBox video, Creating a Dashboard. In this tutorial, you will learn the basic functions of creating a dashboard. To create a dashboard, you will need to click on the dashboard button at the top of the screen. We are now looking at the dashboard interface. The dashboard interface allows users to pull existing reports from BabelBox and display the reports in any order, size and complexity required. To demonstrate the dashboard, I am going to load an existing dashboard within BabelBox. This dashboard is based upon our EPOS supermarket data as used in the previous demonstrations. This is the loaded dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard has a wide range of different types of reports. As shown in the crosstab video, the reports and graphs are interactive. Just by clicking on different sections within the key of a graph, we can turn the visual display on and off. We can also double click on areas of the charts and graphs to see the underlying data. To go back to the dashboard, we can simply click on the Back to Dashboard button in the top right corner of the screen. With the area of breakdown by sales volume pie chart, we can click on parts of the key to separate each section of the pie chart so it stands out. As you can see, this dashboard also has gauges to indicate a possible target threshold. At the moment, it is in green. Should we be using live data, the arrow could fissure closer towards the amber or red area, depending on the data it is gauging. The dashboard, just like the crosstab reports, also enables the user to start querying the dashboard as a whole. If we use the query search bar at the top of the screen and type in chicken, it has re-updated our dashboard to display data which involves chicken. If we scroll down, the graphs have been updated to display the top selling chicken products across the company. Also, the opposite graph has been updated to display the top 5 worst selling chicken products. If we double click on a section within the pie chart, we can demonstrate that the data has been updated to filter for searches containing chicken. This particular section has filtered for chicken products within the East Midlands area. As seen in the home screen and query tutorial, we can click onto a column header such as product description to display the values within that column. From the new window that has appeared, you can see all of the products which contain chicken. If we click on Show Counts, we can now see all of the values arranged in ranking order. So thin and crispy barbecue chicken was the highest selling chicken product within the East Midlands. You could go on to further query your data by highlighting a few of the products and clicking Apply. As you can now see, we are only concentrating our search on selected chicken products within that Eastern Midlands area. We will now go back to the dashboard. To demonstrate the query search feature again, we will change the search term chicken and type beef instead. If we scroll down, the graphs at the bottom are now displaying the top 10 best and worst selling beef products across the company. To show the user how we built this dashboard, we need to click Edit Dashboard in the top right part of the screen. This dashboard was made up from a wide variety of reports. We can remove reports that we have created by dragging them to the recycling bin located at the top of the screen. To add reports, we use the icons at the top of the screen. These icons allow the user to add reports, graphs, gauges, Venn diagrams, text boxes and much more to the dashboard. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will add a new report to our dashboard. To do this, we will click on the report icon in the top left corner of the screen and drag it into an available window. Once the icon has been dragged to the new window or panel, a new menu will appear. From here we can create a report from scratch, load an existing report, and we can link a report. We will be using load existing to load a report we created earlier. Once happy with your selection, we will click Run Dashboard. This button can be found towards the top right corner of the screen. You can see that the report has been added to the dashboard. If a report, rich in data, is bigger than the window it has been displayed in, the dashboard will include scroll bars to allow the user to browse through the data. This report is interactive, so again we can click row and column headers to separate the data, or we can click on the individual cells to drill through the underlying data. We are now going to re-edit the dashboard to make some room for our new report. For the purpose of this video, we're going to just remove an existing report by dragging it to the bin. If we drag the newly added report to an available window, we can either copy or move the report. In this instance, we want to move the report. By running the dashboard again, we can now see the report on a much larger scale. We are now going to click on a random cell value to see the underlying data within that cell of our new report. We are now looking at data in relation to transactions that took place in 2009 within the Preston branch of Manchester and Liverpool area with regards to beef products. If we now clear the query search bar at the top of the page, we have now reset all of the reports and graphs to display all the existing data. To save the report within BabelBox, click the star save icon and fill in the necessary fields before saving. By using the icons at the top of the screen, we can export the report. To do this, click the export button and fill in the required fields. The final two icons allow the user to print off this dashboard and allow the user to also import files into BabelBox. We have now reached the end of creating a dashboard video.